now that we have a project open,
Right.
let's set up the collaboration tools inside of Pro Tools the way you like to see them.
Sure. So the first collaboration tools we want to look at are kind of the overall master tools that would reside up in the toolbar of the edit page. So if we click on the little down triangle over here, we have the new option to show collaboration tools. Now by default, they come over on the far right hand of the edit page. Now, a lot of people know this, but if you don't, a really cool little trick with all these little modules of tools in the toolbar of the edit page, if you hold down the command key or control on Windows, you'll see a little grabber hand come up. And basically, any one of these little modules now you can grab and you can move it anywhere you want to. And Tom and I have been working with this software for quite a while, and we've kind of decided that we like it kind of down here far on the far left-hand side because it basically it's in a nice little column with the next set of tools we're going to look at, which are basically the track-based collaboration tools. So if you click on the little edit window view selector icon here, once again, you've got a new menu item, track collaboration, and it'll bring those collaboration tools. So now you can see all those tools, nice little tight column there. So everything that you're doing with Track Collab, you can kind of see in one glance without having to look across the screen.
Okay, so now that you've sort of arranged things how you like it, it looks great. Let's go through the top half is the global.
Right.
And then on the track by track basis, you can make decisions about upload and download and what you're sharing, right?
That's right. So the three main buttons up at the top that you're going to deal with on the global level are upload changes, download changes on a global level, or download all new shared tracks. So you can go through, make changes on multiple tracks. That upload arrow is going to light up. If somebody else has made a bunch of changes on already shared tracks, then the download arrow is going to light up and you can basically download all those changes at one time. And then if somebody shared a new track or new tracks with you, then the download all shared tracks arrow or button lights up and you can then download those. If you prefer, there's actually auto buttons for each one of those. So basically, instead of you having to manually manage that, all that can be done automatically for you in the background. Now there's three other icon buttons as well. The top one up here basically allows you to add a collaborator to the project right here from the edit window. The second one will open up the artist chat window, which we've already shown you when we set up our profile earlier, which we'll talk about more in a minute. And then there's a notification icon there that if any chat comes in that's related to this project, that's going to light up and tell you that you've got some kind of notification that you can go to your artist chat window and see what's going on about the project.
All right, Gil, so on a track by track basis, you can make the decision now which tracks you want to share.
That's correct. So the first button on the track-based collaboration tools is the track shared button. It's a little square with a little arrow pointing out of it. So basically when you click that button, it's going to turn blue, and if we open up the task manager, you're going to see that it's now posting that particular track up to the project in the cloud. So now it's uploading all the information about that track plus whatever media is on there. We've opened up the task manager and you can see the process of that. So once that actually gets uploaded and processed, the button turns blue telling you that that track is now shared. If I come over here and make a change on this, I can do an edit. You're going to see that now that the individual track button goes green with the person who is actually working on that track, which is myself, and you can see my name there below that in the pane below. That goes and allows me to either on a track basis just send that particular track's changes up, or if I've got multiple tracks changes, I could actually use the global button at the top to send them all.
That's great. Well, we'll get into this a little bit more as we go through working and really doing the collaboration. One more window we should talk about, and that's the mix window. And there's the ability to see the collaboration tools here as well, right?
That's right. So what we want to do here, let's come over here, and underneath the show views for the mix window, you've got the track collaboration item here. Once we bring that up, you can actually see right there above the input and output panes that all the collaboration tools on a track basis can be done here from the mix window as well. So you don't always have to be over in the edit window to work on collaboration. If you're a mixer, you can actually do it here from the mix window.
Yeah, it saves you time and just really publish the changes. If you're not changing any of the audio edits or files, you can just go ahead and publish mix changes.
That's right.
Okay, great. Well, I think we're ready to now sort of dive in and really get into the artist chat window and start inviting some people.
Okay, sounds good.